I am by names of Pastor Mugisha John, the leading pastor, Family Church, MASAKA. And yesterday morning, we landed on the terrifying news of passing on of our leader, Dr. Andre Pelser. It was a tough morning when I opened up my phone and found such bad news. But I want to thank God for his life, that he has lived fully, effectively, and I've seen him as a great man, a great father, a great leader that has shown and demonstrated the true love of Christ. And through the time that we've been together, working together, I've never seen such a leader. And indeed, Apostle Andre, you've touched not only one church, but the whole nation, the whole world. Many lives have been transformed. We have seen many testimonies coming out. And indeed, our churches have not remained the same. Indeed, you've laid a great foundation. And this gives us, strength and the courage to carry on what you have left behind. And we are willing and ready to choose on and do indeed what you've left. I only pray for the family, especially Apostle Andre, Prophet Nola, and the whole entire Harvester Church Ministries and the pastors at large. I pray that in this period, may the Lord give us strength, give us more grace to endure and to walk firm. Dr. Andre finished his race. He did his assignment on time and he has gone on time. We believe this lives forever, and his legacy, the history, will never be erased. It will stay forever and it will live on forever. May you rest in glory. Thank you.